Okay, so now sum number 2. Please copy sum number 2. Again, you can pause the video and copy the sum first. Then we will do it. Okay, so pause the video and copy the sum first. Please copy the sum, please. Okay, please listen to the instructions, read the instructions in the Google Classroom and do it. Okay, so copy sum number 2. Alright, now once you have finished copying, I'm going to read the sum. A motorist drove from town A to town C. He passed through town B on his trip. Okay, so A, you have to copy A and B also. Okay, what was the total distance that the motorist drove? So highlight total distance. Okay. How much further was the distance between town A and town B than between town B and town C? Now this is a bit confusing, but what they want you to find out is the difference in the distance between town A and town B and town B and town C. Okay? Now to understand this, we need to draw the model that they have shown. So you need to draw this. I'm going to draw this on the board, so you need to draw this in your book. Now when you're drawing this in your book, please don't do so big and big, alright? So just draw it in your book nicely, okay? So the first point is town A. So I have put a red dot for town A, and then with the blue line I'm just going to draw the thing for town B. Okay, so this is town B, alright, and then town C. Alright. So you can see I've just drawn a little squiggly kind of a line to show town A, town B and town C. Now as you can see, from town A to town B is 27 km and from town B to town C is 14 km. Alright, so this is very simple. From town A to town B is 27 km and from town B to town C is 14 km. Now the first one is A. What is the total distance? So you leave a line and then what is the total distance that the motorist drove? So this is very simple. He drove from town A to town C, so that is 27 km plus 14 km. Okay? Now, please draw a working column. Please draw a working column. Alright? So, 14 plus 27. Alright? So, you can just add. So it is 41 kilometers. So the statement, leave a line, write the statement. The total distance the motorist drove. The total distance that the motorist drove is 41 km. Alright? Now this is A. Now B. What is the difference, or how much further was the distance between town A and B than between town B and C? So between town A and B is 27. Between town B and C is 14. So what is the difference? You minus 27 kilometers minus 14 kilometers. So 27 minus 14 is 13. So 13 kilometers. So that statement the distance between town A and town B is 13 kilometers further than town B and town C. How much further they ask? Okay, so it is 13 kilometers further. Alright, and once you're done, is draw a line. Alright, so this is about distance. So the first two sums, 1 and 2, is about length or distance. Okay, so we have got it in kilometers and meters. Alright, so we are going to do sums on volume also, on mass also.